1. Marble oval table. An oval marble masterpiece surrounded by 12 velvet chairs, bathed in golden light beneath a crystal chandelier. If luxury dining inspires you, hit that subscribe button and join our design family. 2. Modern minimalist. Black walnut meets white oak in this sleek, minimalist retreat with a skyline view. Don't forget to subscribe for more modern luxury inspiration every week. 3. Classic European. Dark mahogany, tufted leather, and gold-framed elegance. This is old-world luxury at its finest. Subscribe now so you never miss a design like this. 4. Curved glass table. Boucle chairs and brass light fixtures bring softness to this contemporary space. Hit subscribe to keep discovering rooms like this. 5. Art Deco. Emerald velvet and gold trim collide in this bold, glamorous dining room. If Art Deco excites you, subscribe and turn on notifications for more. 6. Scandinavian luxury. Light oak and cream linen create calm, quiet luxury in this Scandinavian-inspired space. Subscribe to our channel for daily doses of serene design. 7. Italian villa. Stone tables and wrought iron chairs under warm Tuscan light, pure Italian charm. Subscribe now and travel through design with us. 8. Ultra-modern glass. Floating glass, chrome accents, and glowing LED coves define this futuristic dining space. Smash that subscribe button for more next-level interiors. 9. Rustic luxury. Reclaimed wood and wrought iron chandeliers bring cozy elegance to this rustic dining room. Subscribe to see more rustic luxury transformations. 10. Parisian apartment. Round marble, herringbone floors, and ornate ceilings. This is Parisian elegance at home. Subscribe now for more European-inspired interiors. 11. Dark academia. Deep walnut, emerald velvet, and brass lamps create a moody intellectual charm. If this speaks to you, subscribe for more dark academia design. 12. Coastal luxury. Whitewashed wood and rattan chairs bring breezy elegance to this ocean view dining room. Subscribe for more coastal-inspired luxury content. 13. Hollywood Regency. Mirrored tables and crystal chandeliers bring old Hollywood glamour to life. Subscribe now and add some sparkle to your feed. 14. Japandi. Minimal lines, natural tones, and soft lighting define this Japandi dining space. Subscribe for more calm, intentional design inspiration. 15. Industrial luxury. Concrete, leather, and exposed brick meet warm Edison bulb lighting in this industrial gem. Subscribe to see more bold interior styles. 16. Modern farmhouse. Long wooden tables and oversized pendant lights bring warmth to this farmhouse dining room. Subscribe for more cozy farmhouse inspiration. 17. Luxury penthouse. Smoked glass and velvet emerald chairs overlook a stunning city skyline. Subscribe now for more penthouse-level luxury. 18. Traditional English. Antique wood, floral wallpaper, and crystal light. Timeless English elegance. Subscribe to keep this classic style in your feed. 19. Mid-century modern. Teak wood and a Sputnik chandelier bring retro charm back to life. Subscribe for more mid-century modern design ideas. 20. Minimalist white. Sculptural white chairs and a soft arched mirror define this clean, elegant space. Subscribe now for more minimalist luxury. 21. Moody dark luxury. Black granite and candlelight create a dramatic, intimate dining experience. Subscribe for more moody, high-end interiors. 22. Bohemian luxury. Rattan, velvet, and macrame bring warmth and texture to this boho dining room. Subscribe to explore more eclectic luxury design. 23. Glass house. Surrounded by greenery and natural light, this glass dining room blurs indoor and outdoor living. Subscribe for more nature-inspired luxury. 24. Opulent gold and marble. White marble, gold frames, and mirrored walls create pure opulence.